I'm gonna dye my hair today, but I'm gonna do it in a way that I've never done it ever before in my life. But first, I need to travel 10,444 kilometers across the world. Vegas, baby! Spin-off version of Hangover. Let's go film our own mentor. I've tried a lot of hair colors over this year, everything from vivid oranges all the way to subdued silvers. But I really want to try a new series of colors, especially color combinations that are vivid but directly contrast each other. And so I wanted to try something that I've never done before, which is to get inspiration directly from the landscapes and environments that I'm in. I am in St. George, Utah, and I'm going to be coloring my hair literally the same color as the red rock that I'm sitting in, paired with the most vivid complementary color that suits this exact rock. I've smuggled my hair colors all the way from Malta, and today I'm going to be coloring my existing hair to one of the nicest color combinations that I've ever seen, and hopefully you have ever seen. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I don't know if it's going to be as epic that I want it to be. I do know that it's going to be super fun. It's going to be something that I've never done before, and I'm taking you along for the ride with me. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I need to figure out how to get down. Anyways, come with me! This color combination has been a particular goal of mine for a very long time, and I have attempted it before in the past, only to be met with middling results, never quite achieving the vibrancy and the payoff that I'm looking for. I fully believe in surrounding yourself with inspiration, so I couldn't think of a better spot than St. George, Utah, to gain inspiration from the particular rock formation that they have here, paired with a very interesting phenomenon that tends to occur here to help me achieve this color. There is a backstory as to why I'm in St. George, Utah specifically, but I will have to address that in part 2 of this video. So far, this is shaping up to be an insane trip with hopefully an even cooler hair result. So I'm currently in St. George, Utah in the States. It's my very first time in the States, and it has been an incredible experience so far. You guys are so friendly and so insane, and the food is so different that the entire process of just getting here has been crazy. But the fact that then the terrain is so stunning that is going to be my inspiration for this hair look is next to nothing. So this is my hair at the moment. I did cut it recently and kind of corrected most of the color to something relatively basic. It is super neutral. It doesn't have too much vibrancy in it at the moment. So the color that I want to do today, I'm very excited for, because we're doing purple and orange. Oh my god! So this is one of the nicest pictures that I've ever come across in my life. And this is actually a canyon not too far from here that has some of the nicest rock formations ever. But because of how the light shines in, it creates one of the nicest combinations of orange, yellows, reds, and purples. And the excitement which I have for this color is especially because I dislike purple with a passion. I hate purple. You guys know that. But this combination is so exciting to me because it just shows how complementary two colors can be, especially when used in the correct way. And I have all of my Arctic Fox colors ready to create the most insane color combination ever. And I have my trusted Stella brush, which I'm going to be using to create the most gorgeous blend of colors ever. Brush is going on sale very, very soon, so if you've been wanting this for the longest time, now's the time to get it. I also have brand new Vault Collection wigs launching in the most insane autumn colors, so if you particularly like this style of colors, check out these colors. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Let's mix up some colors. Let's go. I'm so excited. Well, obviously my own hair has quite a bit of depth in it. I think I'm still only going to mix up 2 formulations of the colors, and then based on the depth and the dimension that I already have in my hair, that's what's going to give this kind of a multi-shadowed, very dimensional color look. And then I'm going to get this effect with a really cool secondary transformation that we're going to do in another video, but you guys are going to be obsessed with this entire look. For the first color, I'm mainly going to be going in with Purple Rain from Arctic Fox, but because of my natural base, I am going to be adding in probably a tiny bit of Poseidon just to cancel out anything that is too warm so that we do get some of this colder purple that is right over here. Obviously, my purple is going to be quite dark just because of how dark my own natural hair is. For the orange parts, I'm going to do mainly Ginger Flare, Sunset Orange, and then Poison. I do think this is a tiny bit too bright for what I'm going for, so I'm going to condition it a tiny bit with the Nourishing Coconut Milk that I got from Heathrow, because obviously I forgot my conditioner. Super cute. One of the things that I'm excited to demonstrate in this video is how semi-permanent hair can still stick to a base that is normally considered too dark for vibrant hair colors. Over here you can see I've got quite a mix of colors. To be honest, this video is very overdue, but the base is still a medium brown. I continuously praise semi-permanent dyes just because they are so effective in depositing pigment without doing too much damage to the actual hair itself. Yes, they can stain your face, something I'm an absolute pro at, but they're also just as effective at staining the actual hair, which is exactly how it works. Over here I'm using quite a potent purple to mimic that purple light effect at the root, and then I'm going to be going in with that vivid orange red shade that I mixed up earlier to mimic that popular red rock. This is very much meant to be an artistic interpretation. One of the things that I love so much about hair is that you can do whatever you want with it. There are no rules, especially when you formulate them yourself. It's never-ending and limitless in terms of possibilities. That is why I'm not even mad if this color does not turn out anywhere near where I want it to, because I'm still having such a good time applying this on myself and getting such therapeutic results out of it. If you've never dyed your own hair before, trust me, do yourself a favor, it is life-changing. If this color does not end up turning out so good, I do have one other trick up my sleeve that I just want to try. But for now, I'm just gonna let you listen to this insane soundtrack that I found on Epidemic Sound, which is where I find all of my music. If you want, I am going to link this particular track in the description. That is where I find literally all of my music for my videos. I'm now gonna let this sit for an hour before coming and showing you the very final result, which I'm very, very, very excited for. I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good wines. You're not on your knees. What's in it for me? Oh my god. First of all, this is the most incredible fall hair ever. Like, you guys know I'm obsessed with anything a bit burgundy, but the fact that this one's a bit purple, I feel like once again, it's very big growth on my part. So I'm so happy with this. I have the little money pieces with the little burnt orange bits, and then the ends that are a tiny bit redder. I do feel like the color bled a tiny bit, and I think it's a tiny bit underwhelming. So I'm half tempted to do a tiny bit of a transformation more, just so we get that full incredible canyon effect that I've been obsessing this whole video. But you're going to have to wait for part 2 to get that, because this next transformation video is going to come out tomorrow, so definitely keep watching. Is it giving Utah yet? No? Yeah. I don't think it's giving Utah yet. I think it's not quite. I think we could do one thing more. I think a little better. We can do it a little better. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think we can do it better.